Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add additional user account to G3 AIO. To do this, you will need to click on the start, go to your settings, select accounts, now find the family and other members, then click on this plus button. Right here you'll be able to add another account and you can log in to that account using Microsoft service. And let's say I don't have it, click on this sign right here and then add user without Microsoft account. That way you'll be able to set up and create new user without using any Microsoft services. So let's go for the name and then you can enter password if you want. It's optional. If you leave it empty, there won't be any password for that user. Click next and now it's added. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.